Hello! Today is the 23rd of September, and afternoon of Saturday, and I am at this river where tomorrow is supposed to be the site for the river festival at this kampung Sodomon. Yeah, this is the river. They clear the river. It looks very nice and clean. Clear of the river bank, bamboos and everything. And in the distance there is a high-rise building called Kepayan. Rumah burung-asang lah ini, bos. This is the advanced development of the Penampang area. Actually, downstream of the river down there is going to the Pitagas River, to the Pitagas Airport. Okay, guys, terrible color in the evening in Kepayan, Rumah burung-asang. And the people organizing the festival tomorrow, they started the pre today, just leaving home.
Bye, Mr. Small.
Yeah.
Bye.
Yeah, he's saying goodbye to me. And at least the riverbank here got some rockfill protection. Maybe they're gonna have some canoe racing tomorrow, paddling on a Sunday. And this is what this kampung house looks like. This is the kampung Sodomon house, and the venue is the compound of the Ketua Kampung, I think. So they've already put up the fiesta or festival punya flag. Okay, put the festival flag. The camps are ready. The ground is a bit muddy because the rain until this morning. Some car park here. All the food has just closed up. The food store has just closed up. I just managed to eat my lunch. And there's an old kampung house here. I don't know how to park the vehicle tomorrow. And assistant minister coming is the YB Kepayan, Jani. They're supposed to officiate this in the afternoon, 12 o'clock tomorrow. It rained this morning, the rain stopped. Ground is still muddy. But of course, the kampung road here is being used by contractors' lorry, so it get damaged. And as usual, contractors don't take responsibility in doing small repair of whatever they have damage. So guys, this is the venue for the River Festival, International Love the River Festival tomorrow, Sunday on the 24th. So I'm still not sure how am I gonna come and attend this with the difficulty in parking in a kampung environment with the road all muddy. If it rains again tonight, I think the festival is spoiled. And the cops will have to follow the minister to this place. Anyway, of course we got modern house. And the people are packing up for the day. So, this is the Kepayan River, the branch from Moyog. And I mean, to love the river, you're supposed to keep the river clean like this. But look at the river there. Look at all the plastic floating on the surface. See the plastic garbage? Here you go. People are still throwing rubbish into the river. Uncivilized people. Or that rubbish come from Parit Juta and from the town and everywhere. So here you go. And those plastic floating will go up into the sea, to the river mouth, and they even get washed up into the island. And nobody is responsible for cleaning up those. So the idea of a river festival is supposed to create awareness. Awareness. I love the river. When are you going to stop awareness? Time to enforce the law, my dear government. If you don't enforce the law, Sabah maju jaya lah. Okay?